Hello, my most amazing artist. Mrs.Artzt here, and I'm bringing you a lesson about how to paint using coffee. I love coffee. If you've ever been in class with me, you know that I'm always drinking coffee. And a few of you have helped me to spill it a time or two, but we won't get into that right now. You will need coffee grounds, maybe one that's almost empty, your parents are almost done with. Okay, you'll also need coffee filters, just one or two. A paper towel will work if you don't have coffee filters, but it's not as good. So try and get your hands on one of these things. You'll also need a pencil, okay, a white crayon, and this white crayon you can see is almost gone, okay, but this one will work, so don't worry about it. You'll also need any kind of paintbrush. I'm going to be using this one today because it's purple and I love purple. You'll also need a strainer. Now, strainer is, or a colander, is something you use to drain noodles or beans or rinse out rice. I like this one because it's pretty, but if you have any kind will work. Even this one will work, as long as it has holes on the bottom. Okay. You'll also need a matching bowl. By matching, I mean it needs to be the same size so that whatever drains out is only gonna end up in the bowl. So if I try to use this little bowl with this, okay, see those holes? We're gonna have a mess. So be careful, your parents will thank you. So for this one, I might end up using this. Perfect, and this pan will work. The last things that you will need are two little bowls if you want to make a light and a dark version of your paint. And then the very last thing you're good to go is hot water or warm water. If there's no adult around, I don't want you heating it up on the stove or in the microwave. Only run your sink until it gets as hot as it can go and then fill it up, and that should be fine. Right, I'll meet you over at our workstation. One more time, I'll put up the supplies you'll need so you have it all in one list. All right, we're at our workstation and we have a helper. What you're gonna do is take your two bowls and you're gonna put, how much? What are we gonna do, Ezra? You're gonna put a scoop in this bowl.
I want the bowl. I want the bowl.
Say please.
Please.
Okay, here. Can you put it in this bowl? Good job, baby.
I want the water.
Okay, hold it. All right, now we're gonna add some water.
Water?
Mm-hmm. Agua. And you're gonna add about that much. Just a little. You're gonna stir it up. And then in the other bowl, don't eat it, it's gross. It's coffee. Okay. And then in the, hold on, say please.
Please.
And then in this bowl, you're gonna add, be patient, half the amount. Okay, here you go. Good job. All right, now stir up this one. Right, so I'll meet you guys over at our paper station while we wait for this to settle. Okay, now we're gonna draw a tree and then we're gonna trace it with our white crayon. So if you're in 5th grade, you already drew trees with me and we painted them. I'm gonna start like this. I'm gonna make kind of the roots and then do a horizon line behind here where the earth and the sky meet. I'm gonna add the letter V. Now this is an empty space. I have one branch going this direction and I still have this big guy coming this way. I'm gonna split him again. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Split it again. You can go as many times as you want until you taper it off into like a needle point going 2 directions. Remember, the middle of the V is your empty space and you won't get lost. You can do some curly ones. Okay, whatever you like. Alright, I think my tree is done. Now you're going to take your white crayon and you need to trace over all of these pencil lines with your white crayon.
Mommy,
Next step is you need to take your colander right here, your strainer, and take your coffee filter, place it inside, put your strainer inside a bigger bowl. Remember, we don't want any spilling. Now you're gonna take your coffee grounds, give them a little stir. Okay, we're gonna pour this slowly into the coffee filter. Just like that, and give it a minute. You're gonna scrape all of that down into there. All right, give it a minute. You can see we still have some coming out. Just like making coffee. Go ahead and dump your first coffee color into your one bowl. Yep. Now, same thing, your next dark color. Pour it in there, let it drain. You can already tell we're getting a much darker color. Perfect. And I'm gonna leave this one alone since now we have two containers. We're ready to paint.